Hi, this is Holden Scott, and over here I'm trying to play some white noise. You know, we're gonna do some random location on the hardest difficulty. So let's see how it goes.
And just so you know, white noise is like a Slender Man for Xbox. So
Turn it on. And some random character. Let's see how this goes.
oh, accidentally put it on
Let's chill. Alright.
Why don't you just
Oh, I'm Gene Luck, okay?
put it up on the so you can see TV.
Can't change it once you're making a video. The hell is that? Oh, I hear a tape recorder.
Dude, you look like you're having a fucking orgy.
Of course, it's right on his freaking six-pack over here. Oh!
My nipples!
Well, crap. Stonewall, what the fuck? Oh god. Oh god.
Turn around, turn around.
Oh, shoot.
Nipples.
Oh god. Ah! Get unstuck! Go! Oh my god, this is scary.
Right.
Oh, nipples! Oh god. Stop coughing.
Bitch.
Oh no.
Oh, it's a green thing. Don't look at it. Look behind you.
Oh god!
Cut me in the butthole. Shit. Turn around, turn around.
Oh god.
Oh, I saw him.
I saw him. Oh god. By the way, guys, this guy that is slender, but he has major six-pack and he's built and everything.
That nigga looks like he took 8 speeds and steroids and shit.
Well, hopefully he just doesn't have cancer. Oh god! I think I hear a tape recorder.
Crawl in there, can you?
No.
Too right, it's too right. Okay.
Yeah, I hear it.
You can see it, it's right there. Oh, baby.
Alright, I have 2 tape recorders so far out of 8.
Look behind you.
Okay, we're clear. I don't know where he is, but I'm kind of scared.
Yeah.
I hear another one, I think. No. How big is this freaking map, dude?
They're pretty big. What the fuck is that? To your left. What
What the hell, man?
No, you already been that way. Go to your...
Oh, God!
Oh, you jumped so hard.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh, my flashlight, no!
Yeah, go check.
Oh, my flashlight's going out. Oh, my flashlight. Not healthy. Oh, God!
I just got back. Why was that happening?
I need more tapes.
Go to your left. To your left. Yeah, that way. Left a little bit more.
I hear one.
No, it's just the crickets.
Man, screw the crickets. Yep, there's one right there.
If you find four, the fucking music or something, look behind you. What the fuck?
Oh my God. Definitely do not like where this is going.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, he sounds like he just killed someone.
Shit.
Ah!
Go to your right, go to your right, go to your right. In that, yeah, in there. There has to be a tape in there. Oh fuck. You're fucking trapped now.
Oh shit. Screw the flashlight. Oh, he's breathing in my freaking neck. God, I don't like this. Oh my God!
That nigga had his hands on your butt.
Oh my God. God, this nigga's messing with me. Ah! I don't like it.
I gotta go pee. Alright, turn around.
Oh God!
I'm surprised your guy hasn't screamed yet. Oh, you've already been in there.
I probably can't hear him scream. I'm screaming so loud.
Oh shit. Go that way. Wait, no, what's that to your right? Is that a house? Oh, that's a wall.
Come on, just one more tape.
In the right. It's, yeah. There has to be one near there. Is she holding her head?
I got 3 tapes. Looking for a 4th one. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Follow.
Oh, I don't like those.
Yeah, follow that ghost.
Are you gonna sit here and stare at me?
No, don't follow him. He's a trick. Yeah, go that way then. Go the way you were just looking. Yeah, that way. And once you get past that wall, take a left.
I hear tape.
Yeah, I did too.
Oh God!
Dumbass. Bro, you are so close to dying. To your right. Yeah, right there. Straight ahead.
I hear it.
Or like, but you can't just fucking with you. Oh shit, that's good.
Where's the tape? I just heard one.
Like, he can fuck with you like that. He can make it sound like a tape, so when you turn around, he's like right there with you.
No, there's really one right here.
I got a good check on the thing.
Alright. to me! No! Get away! Oh God! Oh, he's on their ass. He was scratching my freaking ass. Oh God! Please remind me to never turn around again. Oh my God. Oh, it's scary. And my flashlight's going out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Been on this map 80 freaking times. Where's the freaking tapes? I hear one, but I can't freaking distinct it because I got freaking slender on my back. Oh my God! No! 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 Leave me alone! Oh God. Oh God. Not yet. Oh God. Oh God!
You need this? Alright.
And I died apparently. I'm dead. And that's game.